The world may have come to a standstill, but stubborn hair concerns like scalp dryness, dandruff, and frizziness unfortunately still reside in many of us. You'll be surprised to know that the solution to all these problems is with us at all times: coconut oil. Here is how you can use this hero in your hair care regime to get shiny hair at home the all-natural way. This hair-loving ingredient is enriched with vitamin E and fatty acids that add shine and luster to the frizziest and dullest of hair. Most of us suffer from dull and frizzy hair because of all the heat and pollutants it's been put through. Coconut oil has lauric acid, which penetrates deep into the hair shaft and reverses all this damage by deep conditioning and soothing your hair. This hero is also blessed with antimicrobial properties, which means it fights off irritants like dandruff, leaving you with a clean and nourished scalp. Imagine all these benefits at a fraction of your salon price. So go ahead and get your hands on this magical portion. Coconut oil is incredibly versatile and can be used as is or mixed with other natural ingredients for an amazing hair pampering session. If you have dull, dry and rough hair, give yourself an overnight treatment with coconut oil. Massage a teaspoon or two of this oil in your hair in circular motions. The oil will sink into your follicles and trap in all the moisture your hair strands need. Before you wash your hair, wrap it in a hot towel for about 15 to 20 minutes. So what you're left with is absolutely glossy and shiny hair. Not washing your hair the right way can lead to product buildup, which clogs your pores, not allowing any moisture and nutrients to penetrate into your hair. So if you feel your hair looks flaky and dry, give this super quick DIY a try. Mix 2 tablespoons of coconut oil with 2 tablespoons of amla juice and 2 tablespoons of neem juice. While coconut oil nourishes your scalp and hair follicles, amla and neem juice thoroughly cleanse and detoxify your hair. Massage this gently on your hair scalp and leave it on for 20 minutes and bring your hair back to life, except this time much more silkier. If the reason for your dandruff is fungal growth, this quick DIY will come to your rescue. Heat 2 tablespoons of neem oil and 4 tablespoons of coconut oil and drop in 1 ball of camphor. Apply this on your scalp only and keep it overnight before rinsing it off, and say hello to a dandruff-free, healthy scalp. Our hair frizzes out often when we wash them because of the constant need to untangle our hair, which produces static and makes it dry. The easiest way to keep this at bay is to apply a pea-sized amount of coconut oil and then use a white tooth comb to evenly brush it out. This makes sure your hair is free of any knots and will even keep unnecessary tugging at bay. Being at home is no excuse for tolerating bad hair days. We hope you use these simple tips as well as this magical portion, and we promise you won't be let down. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.